have a family, big and small. Come and meet them, one and all. Here is my mommy, kind and sweet, giving hugs that can't be beat. Here is my daddy, strong and tall, catching me whenever I fall. Here is the baby, small and dear, giggling softly, always near. Family, family, heart so true. Mommy, daddy, I love you. Big and small, we love them all. In Sunny Hollow, one and all. Here is my grandma, warm and wise, twinkling love in her gentle eyes. Here is my grandpa, full of cheer, telling stories we love to hear. Rexi loves his family too, family hugs for me and you. Family, family, heart so true.